In this video, we are going to show you how to properly apply Dulux Acratex AcraGuard on a textured wall. AcraGuard simplifies the coating process for textured surfaces. Being approximately 40% thicker than standard exterior paint, it quickly builds up a robust coating on uneven, porous surfaces. When dry, AcraGuard is 70% thicker than standard exterior paint, providing an enhanced layer of protection. This extra thickness allows AcraGuard to accommodate minor masonry crack movement up to 3.5 times its dry film thickness, meaning it can handle small hairline cracks of up to 0.28 millimeters. To make application easier, we've designed AcraGuard with an extended wet edge and longer open time, which allows it to stay wet and workable for a longer period. This enables seamless blending between sections without visible lap marks. Additionally, you'll notice reduced splatter during application, which is especially helpful for covering large surfaces and working at heights. Let's see how to apply AcraGuard over a textured wall. First, gather all the necessary equipment. Here's a quick list of everything you might need. Stir AcraGuard for about 2 to 3 minutes until it reaches a smooth and even consistency with a uniform color and no clumps. Start on a clean, dust-free surface, cutting in around corners and edges with a quality brush. Aim for a spread rate of 10 square meters per liter, which will help you achieve the correct film thickness and avoid suction issues on the first coat. Next, use a medium nap roller to apply an even coat of AcraGuard to the textured wall. Start from one end and work your way to the other, maintaining a wet edge throughout. For detailed areas or edges, use a brush to ensure full coverage. As you apply AcraGuard, you'll see how effectively it covers and conceals minor surface imperfections. This is particularly beneficial on textured walls for hiding joints after 2 coats. When rolling over areas you've previously cut in, ensure you apply to a wet edge to avoid picture framing. Then, back roll in a downward motion to maintain an even finish. Once the first coat is complete, let it dry for approximately 3 hours, depending on weather conditions. Repeat the process for the second coat. You'll find this coat easier to apply, as the first coat has addressed any suction issues. The second coat will enhance the thickness and protective qualities of the coating, ensuring consistent color and coverage. With 2 coats on a textured wall, AcraGuard provides a 10-year material warranty against peeling, blistering, and flaking. AcraGuard delivers strength and flexibility, and is a great option for coating new render systems in good condition away from the coast. For enhanced protection, and to extend the render system's life cycle to 15 years, AcraShield should be used. AcraShield provides an elastomeric barrier coat protection, 83% thicker than AcraGuard. The additional film thickness of AcraShield provides enhanced crack bridging protection, accommodating crack movement in render of up to 0.9 millimeters by bridging over forthcoming cracks. AcraShield is available in all Dulux colors and will retain your home's good looks and minimize maintenance. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, visit our website at acratex.com.au. See you next time.